Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix lag in Instagram videos. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments. Also put your likes. So let us get started with you. If you have a problem with delayed performance or poor loading of the clip and reels in Instagram, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. And the very first, easiest tip is to try switching your mobile network. So if you're currently on, say, Wi-Fi, then I suggest you turn off Wi-Fi and try to download the same videos over your mobile network. And vice versa. Because maybe changing your network will help you download Reels clips better. Another option is to open the Instagram app. Navigate to your page, after which click on the three bars. Now swipe down a little bit. Go to this media or media quality option. And now you'll see three of these options here. And you'll need to turn them off. If you have high quality or any of the other options plugged in, this can, friends, unfortunately, cause a delay in performance. And maybe it's pulling too much mobile data, so you're not getting a good load. Another option on how you can fix the situation if the previous ones didn't help is to open the settings on your iPhone. After that, friends, please open the general on your iPhone memory. Scroll down and go to Instagram. Here you will need to clear the cache and all corrupted files through Instagram. For this, you will need to unload this app first. Click Unload, confirm your actions. As you can see, the app will be unloaded very quickly. Next, simply install it again. To do this, tap again and wait for the Instagram app to be re-downloaded on your device. This way, all malicious and corrupted files as well as cache will be cleared, your Instagram will be updated. And in this way, you will most likely fix the performance of the video and Reels. If, unfortunately, this method didn't help you either, then I recommend you to completely uninstall the Instagram app from your device. Then go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Next, go to the search bar, type in the word Instagram. Again here, click on the download option and wait for the Instagram download to complete. These are the methods you will be able to fix the delayed Instagram videos. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and give us likes. Bye-bye.